Hello guys, today I am going to show you this creation, and this is just a star, a star that I will put the tutorial. This is very simple, and I will put that into the description box. You can adjust this if what kind of size do you want. You can make it smaller, it's up to you. And this flower, I do have a tutorial as well, which I will put into the description box. So today, I'm not going to show you step by step. I'm just showing you what you can make out of these tutorials that I've got, and I really love it. So the star, I will put the tutorial into the description box, but it's very easy. If you can follow, just create a magic ring and then put this. You can adjust. You can put 14, 15, 16. No, it needs to be by 2. So 14 or 16, or you can do like 20 or something like that. And then after that, you put two double crochet in each chain, and then so on and so forth. So this one as well. So I do have this. Check it out on my description box. So I am just very excited. And then you can just connect this. So all you have to do is from here, sew it here. So you have that, and then you just sew it there. So you have a beautiful star. So you can put this, you can adjust this, make it bigger. Like you can put this into the table, or Christmas tree. So this flower here, this color, this is pink. So you can change this and make this as a red. So this is just an idea, an idea of how I find myself very creative. So I'm just showing you my creativity. And I'm very happy. And it's very cute. So you can make this, with my star. You can use this for anything. You can put this into your Christmas tree, or you can make this like bigger or something, or anything. So this is very simple. And thank you very much guys for supporting my channel. And this is how I share with you all my creativity. And hopefully you guys like it. And if you do, please leave a big thumbs up and share my video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that subscription button and the notification bell, so you will get notified every time I do have a very exciting and creative idea of crochet. Thank you very much guys, and until to my next video, bye.